How to fix a frozen screen on your iPhone 16e. So if you cannot access anything, maybe the screen is black and frozen with the black screen, okay? All you have to do, it's very simple, is to press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the Apple logo appears on the display. Everything needs to be done quickly. So let me do it in front of you. Volume up, volume down, and I'm keeping press the power button. Do not release it until the Apple logo comes on the display. Usually it takes around 8 seconds, so let's be patient. Almost there. I'm keeping the button pressed, and here we go, the Apple logo. Now I can release it and the iPhone will restart. This works again if the screen is completely black or maybe frozen in an app or in a menu. Here we go. So thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment, leave a like, comment, tell me it worked, and I'll see you in the next one.